Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the market yesterday.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and bread for breakfast.
When did you finish your homework?
I finished my homework last night.
Who helped you with your project?
My friend helped me with my project.
What did you watch last weekend?
I watched a movie last weekend.
Where did he travel last summer?
He traveled to Turkey last summer.
What did she buy from the shop?
She bought a new dress from the shop.
When did they arrive at the station?
They arrived at the station in the morning.
Why did it rain heavily yesterday?
It rained heavily because of the storm.
What did this man say to you?
This man said hello to me.
Where did Allie study English?
Allie studied English at a language center.
What did Sarah cook for dinner?
Sarah cooked rice and chicken for dinner.
When did your parents visit you?
My parents visited me last week.
Who taught you mathematics?
My teacher taught me mathematics.
How did your brother learn driving?
My brother learned driving from an instructor.
Where did the children play football?
The children played football in the park.
What did the teacher explain in class?
The teacher explained the past tense in class.
When did the movie start?
The movie started at 9 o'clock.
Who painted this beautiful picture?
An artist painted this beautiful picture.
How did they celebrate their success?
They celebrated their success with a party.
Where did your father work before?
My father worked in a bank before.
What did your mother teach you?
My mother taught me good manners.
When did your cousin get married?
My cousin got married last year.
Why did your uncle move to Canada?
My uncle moved to Canada for work.
What did your aunt give you on your birthday?
My aunt gave me a book on my birthday.
Where did the students go after class?
The students went to the cafeteria after class.
What did the dog eat from the plate?
The dog ate the meat from the plate.
When did the train leave the station?
The train left the station at 7 a.m.
Who cleaned the classroom yesterday?
The students cleaned the classroom yesterday.
How did the baby sleep last night?
The baby slept very peacefully last night.
Where did your friends meet you?
My friends met me at the mall.
What did the shopkeeper sell?
The shopkeeper sold fruits and vegetables.
When did the festival begin?
The festival began last Friday.
Who called you last evening?
My cousin called me last evening.
Why did the children cry?
The children cried because they were tired.
Where did your family go on vacation?
My family went to Murray on vacation.
What did your teacher write on the board?
My teacher wrote new words on the board.
When did your boss visit the office?
My boss visited the office yesterday.
Who invited you to the wedding?
My friend invited me to the wedding.
How did your team win the match?
My team won the match through hard work.
Where did she learn English?
She learned English at school.
What did he draw on the paper?
He drew a car on the paper.
When did they complete the project?
They completed the project last month.
Who repaired the computer?
The technician repaired the computer.
How did it break suddenly?
It broke suddenly due to pressure.
Where did the tourists stay?
The tourists stayed in a hotel.
What did the girl write in her diary?
The girl wrote her feelings in her diary.
When did your neighbor move out?
My neighbor moved out 2 days ago.
Who organized the meeting?
The manager organized the meeting.
Why did your sister cry?
My sister cried because she lost her toy.
Where did the team play the final match?
The team played the final match in Lahore.
What did the farmer grow in his field?
The farmer grew wheat in his field.
When did the bus reach the stop?
The bus reached the stop at 8 a.m.
Who sent you the parcel?
My friend sent me the parcel.
How did the bird escape from the cage?
The bird escaped when the door was open.
Where did the kids go after school?
The kids went home after school.
What did the chef prepare for lunch?
The chef prepared pasta for lunch.
When did the rain stop?
The rain stopped an hour ago.
Who played the piano yesterday?
My cousin played the piano yesterday.
Why did the teacher smile?
The teacher smiled because students performed well.
Where did the woman buy flowers?
The woman bought flowers from the market.
What did the man read last night?
The man read a newspaper last night.
When did the doctor visit the patient?
The doctor visited the patient in the evening.
Who painted the house walls?
The workers painted the house walls.
How did the thief enter the house?
The thief entered the house through the window.
Where did the plane land?
The plane landed at Karachi Airport.
What did the cat catch in the garden?
The cat caught a mouse in the garden.
When did the lights go off?
The lights went off during the storm.
Who sang at the concert?
A famous singer sang at the concert.
Why did the man shout?
The man shouted because he was angry.
Where did your cousins play cricket?
My cousins played cricket in the street.
What did the old woman tell the children?
The old woman told the children a story.
When did your friend start his job?
My friend started his job last month.
Who washed the car yesterday?
My brother washed the car yesterday.
How did your team lose the game?
My team lost the game by 2 goals.
Where did your teacher go on Sunday?
My teacher went to Islamabad on Sunday.
What did your classmates bring to the party?
My classmates brought snacks to the party.
When did your school reopen?
My school reopened last week.
Who visited your home last night?
My uncle visited my home last night.
Why did your mother cook biryani?
My mother cooked biryani for guests.
Where did your uncle build his house?
My uncle built his house in Lahore.
What did your aunt make for dessert?
My aunt made kheer for dessert.
When did your family celebrate Eid?
My family celebrated Eid last Friday.
Who fixed the broken chair?
My father fixed the broken chair.
How did your phone stop working?
My phone stopped working after falling.
Where did your friends travel last year?
My friends traveled to Dubai last year.
What did your cousin buy for his car?
My cousin bought new tires for his car.
When did your grandparents visit your home?
My grandparents visited my home last month.